It's snowing in gCiarraí. Sneachta i gCiarraí. So let's take a look around the farm. Now, before I get Americans, Canadians, Icelandic people saying, that's not a lot of snow, this is Ireland. If it's not mild weather conditions, it's a crisis. It's snowy. The dogs were loving it, especially Frank, who is essentially a living ball of fluff. As for the cows, you might think an open shed wouldn't do much, but there's great shelter in it and they need the ventilation. Once they're eating, they're happy out. And Brandy even took it upon herself to take the job of warming up the silage for them, so no problem there. The main job, and one that Brandy was all excited about, was to check the sheep. They graze outside all year round, so it's important to keep an eye on them, make sure none of them are sick and that they're all doing well, but it's especially important during the snow. And before anyone comments, oh, those sheep would be frozen, an interesting fact about herbivores is they have a kind of an internal furnace. Once they have enough forage, they'll stay warm. Once they keep eating some form of grass, it's like a radiator inside them, really. So you'd be grand, won't you? And as you can see, they'll naturally go for a bit of shelter under ditches and things like that. Irish language lesson in the middle of the video. That is some thick layer on Jolene. Plenty snow. So if you want to up your game from Sneachta, when it's like piling up like that, you can say gCiarraí. I did consider putting Lady out in the arena just to see the white horse in the snow, but she didn't seem one bit excited about it. I suppose you could say she had snow interest. God, I'm sorry. The snow is beautiful, but it makes outdoor work even more dangerous than it usually is. So mind yourselves out there, take care and enjoy. The power is now out at home and I used most of my phone battery making this video, so let's make it worthwhile. Like, comment, share, and I'm also now on Patreon if you enjoyed the videos and want to support. Thank you.